And I believe this is just adding / subtracting them. And let's just go right to the juggler. If you have 3 1/2 plus 1 2/3, 3 1/2 plus 1 2/3, let's just make sure we have the fundamental rules of fraction, adding and subtracting. Rule number 1. Who would like to reveal to me what I will say from day 1? Brooke? Thank you very much. Right up and down. And you can, when you write from down on your paper, just write it up and down. Start with this, everybody will be happy. So it is 3 1/2 plus 1 2/3. Step number 2. Maggie? Yeah, we call that in the math world common denominators. And that means, children, I should see, you're getting at the point where I don't need to see the arrows, but I definitely need to see this. 3 and 2 both go into 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. That, we're well on our way. Step 3. 2 parts. My kingdom for a horse. Logan?
Add it up.
Yeah, well, in order to do that, you're kind of throwing a bunch of stuff there. When you add, you have to add or subtract what? The tops. And you keep the numerators, or the denominator, the same. You keep the bottom, which we lovingly refer to as the denominator. And then step number 4, one word that encompasses just about everything, and that is to Stupert? No, I've already done this. I get 7/6 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Yeah, I've already done that. That was this step here. After that, you must, Ms. Schwartz. Yeah, but I am looking for one word, because not always is it reducing, it's sometimes doing other things. Simplify, which includes reducing and changing to mixed and borrowing and carrying and whatever else happens there. And in this case here, you have to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. 7/6 is 1 1/6. Put that 1 with the 4 and you get 5 1/6. Do I need to beat any more dead horses? More than that? Isn't it nice to be advanced a little in math where this doesn't take forever to do? If you had 3D glasses on, this would jump out at you. Lest I take anything for granted here. What if I've got this though? What if it's 10 1/3 minus 6 7/8? Subtraction gets to be a little different animal. You still follow those same steps. What's my common denominator of 3 and 8, Alex? 24. This times 3, top times 3 is 21. 3 times 8. Here is, what do I do now, ladies and gentlemen? I can't take 21 away from 8, so I have to. Grace Watson, what do I got to do? Yep, which makes that a 9, and here's where some people go wrong. What do I do then with the 8/24? What does it become? You don't. It's not like normal subtraction where you just put a 1 up there and it becomes 18/24. You need to, as in. Right, but what's the simplified thing? What do I have to do to get my new top number? What do I got to do? You're right. I think I know what you're saying, but I just want to expedite into something. Brooke.
Add 9 to the numerator.
9. 1. I am taking 1 away from here, and I'm actually adding the whole number 1 onto this. But to do that, they have to have the same denominator, which would mean I'm actually adding 24/24 to it. But rather than all of that gizmo gadget, I can just simply say, do what, Caleb? yeah, combine these two numbers for your new top number. 8 plus 24 is 32, that's my new top number. I think you're getting there. The reason you do that is because you're adding 1, which is 24 24s to that, but put those two together. Now I can subtract 21 from 32 is in fact 11 24s, and 6 from 9 is 3. Can I simplify this anymore? No, I cannot.